use the convenient smart features on your LG portable air conditioner connected to your smartphone. Search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select air conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.
Whynter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, Whynter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Whynter ARC14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in 2 versions, the ARC14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our Whynter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, Tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screw should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your Whynter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter.
Global Air NPA 1-08C full size 8000-BTU 3-in-1 portable air conditioner, fan and dehumidifier with remote. Step 1. When venting a portable air conditioner, attach any hose connectors, adapters and insert the hose or hoses. Step 2. Extend the adjustable window kit the length of your window. If necessary, trim the window bracket to fit your window snugly. Your specific model may come with screws to keep the window kit in place. Then close your window to secure the kit in place. Enjoy portable cooling with the Global Air 8000 BTU. Portable air conditioner featuring a dehumidifier that removes 33.8 pints of moisture per day. Step 3. Next, connect the vent hose to the window kit. With your model properly installed and vented, you can start cooling immediately. Just plug it in and program your settings. It's that easy. Digital Controls offers precise temperature settings, and the remote control lets you control the air conditioner from anywhere in the room. A 24-hour on-off timer lets you preset a cooling schedule to save electricity. The 8000 BTU's cooling power keeps a room up to 250 square feet cool and comfortable, and partially cools an area up to 350 square feet. The 2-speed fan and 4-way air direction help spread cool air evenly throughout your space. Washable and reusable air filter saves money on replacements. Keep it cool with Global Air.
Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar AP14001HS, the extreme cool 14,000 BTU dual hose portable air conditioner and heater. Now this unit has a black cabinet with a stainless steel front and an attractive LCD display, which will complement the styling in any room. It cools up to 525 square feet with that 14,000 BTUs of cooling power. Also, it has a wide temperature range of 60 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can use it in the winter as a heater. It also comes with a fully functioning remote, which means you don't have to get off the couch to change the settings. Finally, a really cool feature about this unit is that it has an auto restart feature, which means if at any time the unit loses power, when it regains power, it'll just reset back to its previous settings. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar AP14001HS, the extreme cool 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner and heater. Pick one up today.
Alexa, turn RolliBot to 67 degrees. Alexa, turn RolliBot off.
Unlike window or central air conditioning units, portable air conditioners are easy to install and do not require permanent installation. They are a cost and energy-saving alternative to central air systems, as they cool one room instead of the whole house. This Whynter ARC122 DHP Elite 12,000 BTU dual-hose digital portable air conditioner with heat and drain pump provides up to 12,000 BTUs of cooling and 10,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode, a convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the speed, temperature, timer, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port and auto drain pump. The auto drain pump function can pump out moisture through the included 16.5-foot drain tube for continuous condensate removal. Equipped with an exhaust and intake hose, this dual hose system helps eliminate negative air pressure, which allows for more efficient cooling. It can also be operated as a single hose system by simply removing the intake hose. This PAC includes a washable pre-filter as well as an activated carbon filter that removes smoke and odors. Here's how easy a PAC can be to set up. All Whynter portable air conditioners include a complete setup kit for exhausting through a standard vertical or horizontal sliding window. When using the portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. When the unit is operated in dehumidify or fan mode only, installation of the exhaust hose is optional. Pull to extend about 6 inches of one of each of the hoses. Install the small slide-in connector and small cutout connector onto the small exhaust hose by turning counterclockwise. Install the large slide-in connector and large cutout connector onto the large intake hose by turning clockwise. Fix one end of the intake and exhaust connectors onto the rear ports of the unit by sliding the connectors into each slot. The window slider kit is designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal sliding windows. Insert the fixtures through the back grooved side of the window slider bars with the hole cutouts. Line up the 4 screw holes and tighten the fixtures with 4 screws from the front of the panel. To install, open the window approximately 5 inches. Adjust the length of the window slider bars to fit the length or width of the window opening. You may need to purchase additional slider bars if your window is oversized. Close the window on the window slider kit. Move the PAC to the window, extend the hoses, and attach the other end of each hose to the window slider bar. Align the hose connector cutouts of the tabs to the fixtures and snap the hoses to the window slider kit. Portable and easy to set up, Whynter dual hose portable air conditioners offer cooling relief for any area where excess humidity and heat cannot be remedied by traditional air conditioning. Please visit our website for the most current Whynter portable air conditioners lineup.
The SRCool Net web management accessory turns Tripp Lite's SRCool 12K portable air conditioning unit into a network manageable device, allowing you to monitor temperatures, receive alerts, review logs, and control settings from remote locations. The SRCool 12K and SRCool Net work hand in hand to deliver a user-friendly cooling solution that is easy to install, easy to operate, and is perfect for off-hour or unattended cooling application in small server rooms and wiring closets. Don't let excessive heat compromise the performance and reliability of your network equipment. Order the SRCool 12K and SRCool Net today.
Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the AP12000S, the extreme cool 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner. Now this unit is very energy efficient. It uses only 1200 watts, 10.8 amps, and plugs into a standard 115 volt 3-prong plug. The AP12000S is also environmentally friendly. It uses R410A coolant, which is CFC free. Now, as I said, this unit does have 12,000 BTUs of cooling power, which is good for about 425 square feet. It also has a wide temperature range of 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you will find whatever temperature is right for you. Another cool feature about the AP12000S is that it dehumidifies as it cools. Now, the unit will evaporate any condensation that collects and blow it out the single hose exhaust in the back. Now, because this is a single hose exhaust, that means it's easy to set up and take down as you need to. Finally, the AP12000S comes with a remote and it's on casters, which makes it easy to move from room to room. I'm Scott, and this is the extreme cool 12,000 BTU portable air conditioner, the AP12000S. Pick one up today.